This is a one-arm chi roll with the dragon staff rolling towards us or backwards. This is a fundamental chi roll and is used in most aspects of dragon staff, but especially all throughout chi rolls. First, start by dropping the dragon staff. We'll just get our arm motions first. So we want to draw a circle facing the sky in this horizontal plane here, with our hand pointing up and our elbow pointing downwards. And as we bring this hand towards our body here, we want to have our blade of our hand pointing upwards, so we raise up and then palm up and make this circle action, kind of like a karate chop. Out, flip your hand so palm comes down, bring the arm towards you with your elbow sticking out away from you, lift up with the blade of your hand going first, swing it around and bend again. So we're drawing a nice big circle. At this point here, your elbow points downwards and you twist your arm out to the side to get your palm facing up as early as possible. Down, around, really swing that around. Same with the other hand. Bring your hand in, blade of the hand first, palm facing up and around. Bring your hand down, up through the middle, near your face, blade of the hand up, around. Notice how my elbow twists, so my elbow is pointing downwards as I bring my palm around. As I twist, my elbow is now pointing outwards, twists downwards again. So you need to get this with both your left hand and your right hand. From the top view, hand comes up with the blade of the hand leading, palm out, twist down and repeat. Again with the left hand, leading up with the blade of the hand, palm facing up, swing out to the side, blade of the hand leading, and twist your arm so your elbow is pointing outwards and your shoulder twists downwards, hand comes towards the ground, lift up with the blade of your hand, swing around, palm up and then down. It's very important to get this twisting arm motion as you can see here. Now with the staff, we can rest the staff on our forearm close to the center point, left hand just holding the staff for now, just about here. So raise your hand up with the blade of your hand, pivot the staff around on your palm, palm down, twist, and raise your arm up a little bit and loosen your grip with your left hand so the staff rolls down your arm towards your upper arm. Now, grip the staff, stop it here, swing your hand underneath, pick it up with the blade, palm up, see this elbow twist, arm twist that's coming here, and around. Let the staff roll to your upper arm. Bend your elbow, pick up the staff, roll, around. Bend the elbow, pick up, palm up, around. As you get comfortable, you can keep the staff rolling the entire time. After you're comfortable with this, as the staff gets to your elbow, instead of letting the staff roll towards your upper arm, you can pivot at your elbow, lift your elbow up higher, and let the staff roll on your forearm instead of your upper arm. Roll down, pivot, forearm. In order for this to work, you need to raise your elbow up higher to give you space for the staff to roll down and to keep the staff's rolling momentum going. And this is the one-sided chi roll with your palms facing up. The same with the left side. Always practice both the left side and right side. So we start in the upper arm, pick up with the blade of your hand, pivot round, roll towards your upper arm, bend to the elbow, pick up with the blade of your hand, pivot around, twist, roll to your upper arm. Oops. Again, as you get more comfortable, you can start the staff rolling constantly. Good tip here, as the staff gets to the blade of your hand, it is rolling around the tips of your fingers and around your thumb. It's not just squishing and pivoting, it's rolling around the whole outside of your hand as the staff rolls around. It comes back again. So blade right around your fingertips, down your thumb, along your forearm, bend at the forearm, pick up, palms up, and notice that arm twist that's happening. And your arm comes down towards the ground, picks up near where your face is, and around. There we have it, left side. Remember the staff is rolling towards you, so you want to keep your arms raised higher. Tips and tricks with this one. This is different to the rolling away from you. With rolling towards us, we need to create a slope for the staff to roll down. So we need to keep our hands upwards a little bit. If we tilt them down, if we're relaxed, the staff will not roll up the slope and it will stop. So in order to keep the staff's rolling momentum, we want to either have our arms upwards a little bit so that there is a slope for the staff to roll down. We can also isolate this, or we can draw nice big circles and extend our arm forwards and backwards and make these nice big circles and give the staff a very long path to follow. Or we can skip it a little bit and isolate our arm a little bit, which is a little more awkward. But here we have one arm chi roll, rolling towards us, or rolling backwards.